Welcome to Debt Busters. You may be tired of the same old routine of working long hours for little pay. So get ready to learn how to make an incredible $7,000 a week by publishing no-face motivation videos on YouTube. This is not a get-rich-quick plan, but a tried-and-true strategy that demands devotion and intelligent work. However, if you're prepared to put in the effort, we're here to walk you through the simple steps to turn your efforts into delicious, rewarding cash. Prepare to reap the benefits of your labor like never before. It's time to make your YouTube ambitions a reality. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. This video is in response to a question from a longtime subscriber who comments regularly. If you enjoy this video comment, thanks Virgil. And let's begin. I want to caution you that this is a high-risk, high-reward niche that I don't necessarily recommend. CPMs for the motivational video niche can be as high as $30. However, taking quotes from famous people who are still living may get you into YouTube copyright trouble. I won't discuss where to get clips, as that would be condoning piracy. This video is for entertainment purposes only. You've been warned. First things first, you can select a niche, such as best motivation from famous people you never knew about. We're not talking about standard motivation videos here. We're talking about mind-blowing and enthralling interpretations of the silver screen's greatest hits. But first, you must scout the terrain, and what better place to start than YouTube? Go to YouTube and search for videos in the enthralling niche of motivation. Here's the kicker. You're not looking for any old videos. Focus on the cream of the crop, the videos that have captured the attention of millions. We're referring to the viral, motivational rising videos with the most views in the motivation niche. Why, you might ask? So you'll discover the keys to success by immersing yourself in the most popular videos. You'll study their structures, decipher their storytelling techniques, and learn from the best. These videos hold the keys to unlocking your creative potential and catapulting you to new levels of YouTube glory. Now we've reached the next stage in the steps to YouTube success. So far, we've deciphered the keys to viral success by delving into the depths of motivational videos. But now it's time to step it up a notch and use ChatGPT's artificial intelligence to find the most fantastic YouTube topic ideas for motivational videos from famous people. Go to ChatGPT, your trusted AI companion, and prompt it with an enticing YouTube channel title sample. ChatGPT's AI will work its magic with a few keystrokes to conjure up a wealth of intriguing topic ideas that will leave your viewers eager for more. But we're not finished yet. It's time to return to the broad YouTube landscape, armed with our treasure trove of YouTube topic ideas. This time, we'll enter those carefully chosen keywords and uncover the holy grail of views, the most viewed videos corresponding to your selected topic ideas. Keep an eye out for those viral masterpieces that have captured the public as you explore deeper into YouTube. Look for videos with millions of views that have struck a chord with the heart and soul of the YouTube community. When you find a video that resonates with your vision, take it and clutch it tightly. Copy that link and get ready to share it with your audience, demonstrating your keen eye and talent for spotting the best of the best. Please keep in mind that the road may be difficult, but the rewards are beyond your wildest dreams. You're on your way to YouTube glory with the help of ChatGPT and your unwavering dedication. Now that we've picked the video, it's time to reveal its secrets, examine every word, and see the entire transcript. And what better place to begin this language adventure than Google's immense domain? Prepare your keyboards and journey to YouTubetranscript.com. You can summon this website with a single click of your mouse. Copy and paste the YouTube link into the designated space, and with a firm click on Go, you will see the metamorphosis happen before your eyes. Watch as YouTubetranscript.com weaves its magic, providing the complete transcript of the selected video. Every word spoken, every silence, every whisper, and every roar will be recorded and placed bare for your perceptive eyes to see. But why, you might ask? The transcript is the key to unlocking your creative genius. It reveals the intricate nuances, story arcs, and significant meanings woven into the most viewed videos. You will acquire essential insights into the technique of attracting your audience by studying this transcript. And in this case, for the motivation videos, you can pick the key highlights of the motivation from the speaker. The screenplay contains a universe of possibilities. It's time to channel your inner artist, your creative genius, and choose the scenarios that will set your material on fire. Let's dig through the screenplay and find the moments that will make your viewers' hearts skip a beat. Keep your senses sharp and your imagination primed while you read the transcript. Visualize the vivid events unfolding before you and identify the portions that connect deep within your spirit. Is it a moving monologue, an exciting action scene that takes your breath away, or perhaps a sentimental moment that elicits a flood of emotions? Whatever it is, these highlights will take your material to new heights. Take those engaging moments and weave them into the fabric of your one-of-a-kind creations. Allow them to serve as stepping stones to YouTube's success. We've reached a crossroads in the pursuit of YouTube greatness. It's time to take our compelling video clip and turn it into a masterpiece that will leave your viewers wanting more. Prepare to unleash your entire creative potential as we travel to the fascinating domain of vid.io. First, ensure you have downloaded the fantastic YouTube video clip you've picked. Keep it close because it is the raw material that will shape your artistic vision. Now that you have the video clip, it's time to set sail for vid.io. Consider vid.io a creative sanctuary where your video clip will be converted into a work of art. You can find a link to try vid.io for free in the description. Take a deep breath and immerse yourself in this magnificent universe. Sign in to vid.io, your one-stop shop for editing expertise. Upload that selected clip segment, the substance of the story you want to tell, while you're signed in. As you shape and paint the movie clip on the virtual canvas, accept your role as a master storyteller. If the clip is lengthy, don't worry. vid.io allows you to use your editing skills. Sculpt, cut, and condense it into a brief brilliance that captivates your audience's attention. Consider the ultimate result. The video clip has been converted into a captivating masterpiece that will transport your audience to new levels. Add effects, improve the colors, or overlay enticing text. The decision is yours because vid.io is your creative playground. Prepare to fill your video clip with soul-stirring melodies of background music, transforming simple visuals into an emotional symphony. But tread carefully since the background music you choose can make or break the ambiance of your creation. Consider this, a silent scenario filled with palpable tension or tragic moments. Fear not, because vid.io allows you to embellish your masterpiece with carefully picked background music, creating emotions that words alone cannot portray. Choose melodies that complement the spirit of your video clip, providing depth and resonance. Words become art in the world of vid.io. Subtitles, your story's silent narrators, help you to transcend language barriers and engage a worldwide audience. Navigate to the subtitles area to discover a treasure trove of linguistic choices. Choose your preferred language and watch as your video clip becomes available to visitors worldwide. But why should we stop there? Choose the appropriate font to embody the essence of your creation and delve deeper into your creative journey. Allow the subtitles to dance over the screen, increasing the visual experience and guaranteeing no missed words. Congratulations, you have now forged a magnificent masterpiece, perfected with the assistance of vid.io. The time has come to claim your work and release it into the YouTube wilderness. But first, let's get ready for this historic occasion. When your video is finished, polished, and infused with the vid.io magic, it's time to download it as an MP4 file. Feel the rush when you press the download button because this file contains the pinnacle of your hard work, creativity, and limitless imagination. Consider the impact the motivational video will have on your viewers as it downloads. Will it pique people's interest, elicit emotions, or captivate those encountering its intriguing facelessness? The anticipation grows with each passing second as your faceless video prepares to take flight. Now that you've seen the fascinating process of making faceless motivational videos, it's evident that simplicity is the key. But keep in mind that simplicity does not imply miracles. As previously said, your intelligence and commitment are critical ingredients in this recipe for success. While generating money from your no-face motivation videos may appear appealing, it is crucial to understand that it demands your dedication and unrelenting persistence. Miracles don't happen without effort, but don't worry, you may reap the benefits of hard work with the correct mindset and perseverance. However, another critical factor is staying current with the ever-changing world of YouTube guidelines. The guidelines that govern our creative pursuits alter as the winds of change blow through our digital domain. Stay vigilant and make sure that your videos follow these criteria. Why, you might ask? Because following YouTube's criteria protects your content's life and sustainability. By staying current, you may confidently traverse the tumultuous waters of online content creation, avoiding any hazards that may impede your development. Consider it a constantly changing dance. Considering the platform's restrictions, you adjust your motions as YouTube sets the beat. This balancing act of originality and compliance will protect your videos and keep them available to a broader audience. Stay tuned for the next videos to be connected and never lose out on the secrets, techniques, and inspiration that lie ahead. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to easily make $7,000 per week, posting motivational videos on YouTube. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how InVideo compares to Lumen 5. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know about InVideo versus Lumen 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.